It's not for somebody that doesn't know how to use a computer. If you're confused about what right-clicking and left-clicking is, if you have problems with drag and drop or cut and paste, if it sounds like I'm speaking gibberish to you, please don't write in. But if you are a computer power user, you're very familiar with Excel and spreadsheets and very comfortable working with DDE feeds and VB scripts and things like that. If what I just said to you doesn't sound like gobbledygook, then please send in an escalated technical support ticket. Of course, my team knows nothing about this. I do this far too often. But send in a ticket that lets them know, in the subject line put, I need Mac's new spreadsheets. No, let's do it this way. I need the Hercules spreadsheet. If you do that, we'll compile a list and get it off to you. And I'm telling you right now, if we start getting a ton of questions on technical stuff, I'm just going to boot you right out of this beta program. What we're looking for is to get people kicking around in the software and just taking a look at it to test things out for us. So again, I'm not trying to be rude. Sincerely, I'm just trying to save us both some time and me a lot of frustration. So with that, sorry for the huge introduction once again, but we do have a lot of business to take care of. Also, on a side note, the reason why I'm talking a million miles an hour is every single person in my family is ill. Sarah has come down with strep throat. Both of the boys are various upper respiratory disorders. Both of those have kicked in. In fact, Sarah came into my office this morning and she literally couldn't talk. Her throat hurt so bad. So, bless her heart. She's in a lot of pain right now, and I've got to get cracking before my youngest gets up from his nap. You can see here, and let me dive right into the analysis here. You can see we're looking at the pound on an hourly bar. Nothing went on. This sideways action continued on for most, if not all, of the session today. This is actually a good sign. It's not the time to fall asleep at the wheel. This is exactly what we want to see. When you get this big pennant pattern or big triangle pattern coming, this is when you can and will get a very, very big breakout. Now, the mistake that most traders make is trying to predict where the breakout is going to happen. And so they'll put all kinds of squiggly lines on their chart and different stuff down here and look for crossovers on this and that. Forget about that. Remember, the market is driven by humans, and humans are creatures of habit. And as the market starts to make its move, there are going to be levels where, particularly here and through here, that the market is going to need to break through in a very, very aggressive way. In other words, you're going to want to see the market just power through to the downside or power through to the upside. So there's a reason why I like to move away from these areas on a breakout. This is a case in point.